My name Mohammed Wasikama from class 7 Newtown Group Narayana is going to teach you how to operate Robo Group level 1, level 3, level 4. Okay, so here I am on my software and this is the playground which we mainly use, the practice arena. Yes, so in playground there are two types of arena, practice as well as a custom arena. Custom arena it can be available when you pay 999 in roboguru.net. Then you can have all the 10 levels as well as custom arena. Okay, so in custom arena you can increase the density and all everything. Okay, length, density, mass. See, for example, I am shortening the length, it will become like this. Breadth, height, I am shortening. Is the mass also 1 kg. See what will happen. I am zooming in. See, if we compare it to our robot, see, comparing it to our robot. See, our small decks can hold a weight, but see the difference. Sensors are long. Sensors, that's not a matter. I'm saying see the height. Okay, so now let's come back to our beginner simple forward. I'm zooming it back. No, wait. One second. Yes, done. See, this box that you are seeing in front of the sensor, that is the main goal. So if we just press forward, it will go. There are two ways of doing it: backward forward and backward forward delay, and only forward. We'll do forward only first. See, here we get it. Level completes. Okay, we will try again, this time in another way. I will go backwards first. Then I will take a delay of 500. And then I will take a forward. Then again a delay of 800 now. Because once it will go forward, it has to take a larger scale for reaching the goal. So that's why 800 we will take. Now see the magic. Five milliseconds it took for going back, and 800 it went forward. Okay, so here we go next, and this level 2 you are going to comment down below what will be the code, and just whoever gives the correct answer that code will be pinned. Okay, so now we will turn our face towards obstacle detection. Okay, obstacle detection. Our robots can see this by what? Obstacles, we can see our eyes, but robots don't have eyes. So from what can they see? Yes, sensors. These blue things that you all are seeing, those are called sensors. They have a range of 65 centimeters. 0 to 65 centimeters. Okay. So now this is the code. And now let's run it. Okay, the sensor will catch anything what comes in its way, and the code that what will be there, it will stop it. Now see, as it got it, we have to decrease the range of the. See, I'm showing you again. See what happened actually here. See, it got it too fast. So if we use say 65, okay, we will use a 65 range this sensors, okay, a 55, okay. Now it might work. And it stops. And here we get the box. Yes. We get the box, and now this is it. Range configuration. This is same. This will be same. Just you have to identify what will be the range. See the range? I'll give you a better view. See the range. This is the range, this much. So can 25 centimeters work? Or 15? I'll use 15 centimeters range. Same. Okay. Will 15 centimeters work? Yes or a no? Let's check it out. And it stops. Yes, 25 centimeter is a charm. And we will do the next level 5 in the next video, okay? So now, bye everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video.